As shown in our Quick Start Guide, there are 8 simple steps to follow for new users. These include creating a new file, entering baseline positions, importing trade history, verifying your data, analyzing your data, reconciling broker 1099-B and ending the tax year, running your gains and losses report, and finally, filing your taxes.
First, we will create a new file for our data. To do this, we use the File New menu item. Select the tax year and provide a descriptive name for the file. Please note that you can also change the location of your data file by selecting a new folder, but this is not recommended. Press OK to continue. Now we can select our broker import filter. For our example, we will choose E-Trade Financial. Next, select the method you would like to use to import your data. These methods include using Broker Connect, the web, or a downloadable file. Please check your broker's import instructions to verify which methods they support. For our example, we will use Broker Connect as our default. Click OK to continue. In step 2, we enter baseline positions held open from last year. This is an important step so all trades are matched properly and a correct cost basis is used. You only need to do this the first year that you use TradeLog. TradeLog will automatically carry your open positions over in the coming tax years. Enter the actual date of the security that was purchased. We do this by using the drop-down calendar. As shown in the overview lesson, TradeLog uses open-close terminology. So a buy is an open long and a short sale is an open short. Next, we need to enter the stock ticker. Note that some brokers use the descriptive name or CUSIP number to identify the company or security. Please only use underlying stock symbols when entering in your open positions. The same is true for options as well. This will be discussed in another lesson. The amount of shares executed in this transaction is also required. Now we can enter in the actual price paid for each unit we bought. This is not the year-end price your broker provides on your statement. Identify this as a stock or STK-1 in the type/multiplier drop-down box. Please enter in the actual commission paid for a correct cost basis. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard once and TradeLog will calculate the amount. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard twice to save your entry. Click Yes to confirm the save. We will now repeat the same procedure until all open positions are entered. In step 3, we will import our trades from our online broker. We will click the Broker Import button to start this process. For Broker Connect users, a box will appear with your broker's name in the title bar. The username and password is the same as when logging into our online account. Please note that we will import up to the end of January of the next tax year. This is essential for properly calculating wash sales. Some brokers may require multiple imports to accomplish this. Press OK to begin the import. Broker Connect logs into your online broker account and provides a visible navigation to your transaction history or provided history file for year-end tax purposes. While the software logs in to retrieve your data, do not press any keys. This may compromise data and future imports from the online account. Click Yes to save your imported records. In step 4, we will verify our imported data. To do this, we first need to verify our open positions. The Open Positions window first displays our open positions as of the end of January 2009, since it is the last date in our data file. Click the Year-End Open Positions button to see what is open at year-end. If our open positions in TradeLog match what is open in our account at year-end, then we can be assured that everything is matched properly.
Now in step 5, we will analyze our trade data. Please note, for filing your taxes, this step is optional. TradeLog offers a variety of reports for trade analysis. You can run a detail report to display or print what is presently in the grid below. A summary report that quickly provides a bottom line for each stock and option. A performance report that quickly breaks down your winning and losing trades. And finally, a chart report that allows users to view P&L per trade, compare tickers, and further analyze their data down to the time of day. Again, for filing taxes, this step is optional. In step 6, we will reconcile our 1099-B gross proceeds and end the current tax year to make adjustments for next year.
Before running the 1099 reconciliation or any tax report, please make sure the All button is selected. To do this, we go to Reports, Gains and Losses, Tax Forms, and run the Reconcile 1099-B report. The only number that needs to be entered is the gross proceeds less commission sales amount from your 1099. The difference is shown at the bottom right. Only 26 cents means we are good to go.
We are almost ready to file our taxes. However, we must first end the tax year to ensure all wash sales and open positions are carried over into the next tax year.
The File End Tax Year procedure takes care of this. As previously mentioned, we need to have all of our January 2009 trades imported before we end the current tax year. Our next year's data file is all set to go, complete with positions held open at the end of the year, all of our January 2009 trades, and any wash sale losses disallowed from the previous tax year and deferred into 2009. We will now run the appropriate gains and losses report. Use the Reports, Gains and Losses, Tax Forms menu item to do this. We will run the Irs Schedule D1 Report. For this report, we need to include our Social Security number. This gets entered on the Page and Printer Setup dialog box. Click OK to save your name and Social Security number. Click Run Report to view your tax form. An Irs Schedule D1 attachment is ready to be filed with your taxes. Simply print the report and enter the report totals on your Schedule D worksheet. Or you can save the report as a PDF file to send to your accountant. Now you can file your taxes. That's all there is to it. Please continue on to the next lesson.